everybody and welcome to YouTube episode number 174. Myself Lalia Dattagupta from Sanskriti, Kolkata. Today's episode, as you can see, is on variety of beautiful block printed cotton dresses and kurtis, kalidari kurtis, flowy fabrics, and very comfortable for regular wear and for party wears also. So watch till the end, I'm sure you will like it. We have different sizes in all the dresses. Especially today's episode, you will be able to see many plus size kurtis and suit sets also. Firstly, I'll start with a kurti. It's a tie and dye cotton kurti with kali. Long, you can wear it as a dress also. Long dress with leggings or with plazos also. These are long tie and dye full length full flare dresses. See, there's a side slit with which you can wear, and these are very smart, these looks when you wear it with leggings or with plazos. There's a sequence border in the collar. 20 to 50 is for the kurta. I have large, extra large and double XL. Our large is 42 size, our XL is 44 size, and our double XL is 46 size. So I have 42, 44 and 46. This is the back side, pure cotton home wash, and this is the front side. Beautiful kurti, tie and dye, hand tie and dye, 2250, product number 1. So this is the kurti and it's a very smart long kurti. Number 2, another kurti only. This also I have plus sizes. This is a kaftan top, 1650, large, extra large, double XL, 1650. You can wear it with plazos, pants, skirts, with front pleats, and the back we have the tie system. You can do the fittings in the back. So it gives you a smart fit if you want it fitted, and this will since these have pleats, it hides the paunch also. So it's added advantage for us for these kind of kurtis. So this is a short top kurti with which you can team with your pants, plazos, denim, skirts, anything. Very smart looking, rapid printed cotton block print, hand block, 1650, vegetable original block prints, and these are pure 100% cotton. Very smart looking, lightweight and very comfortable home wash. Large, extra large and double XL, only 3 sizes for this. Now another cotton rayon, a very smart looking cotton rayon bandhej kurta with a with thread work Doria sleeves, 2150, large, extra large, double XL. So 42, 44 and 46. So if you want a 40 size, little alteration can be done. Just measure your chest part in inches so that you can understand what is your size. These are all standard sizes. This part from the underarms, this part to this part, just put an inch tape and then measure the inches. You can understand what is your size. This is the sleeves work. I'll just put it on myself, then you can understand. This is the very pretty sleeve work. On wearing this, look really smart. You can wear it with a beige color or white color plazo also. Very comfortable, extremely soft and lightweight also. I have another color in this. This is 3B. Again, price 2150. Extremely soft cotton rayon, bandhej printed with thread work. This is a reddish rust color. See again the work. Big work, broad work in the sleeves and also in the neckline. Again, sizes large, extra large and double XL. So those who were waiting for plus size dresses and kurtis can select from these. Khadi cotton with patola block printed kurti in the beautiful shade of turquoise. Milk white with turquoise, shades of turquoise block printed. 1500 is the price of this. A-line straight cut kurti, A-line straight cut with collar, and here is the sleeves. You can see this is a very smart sleeves. Front slit, the back block printed. 4, product number 4. A few extra buttons have been given in case you lose one or two. So here is the front slit. You can wear it with here the front slit. Very smart looking. I have 40, 42, 44 and 46. 4 sizes starting from medium. 40 is our medium. Medium, large, extra large and double XL. 40, 42, 44 and 46. Please note the sizes so that you don't keep asking for the smallest size, because it's and see we have the pockets in this also, with pockets. Very good for regular office wear also. So the starting size is from 40. Now very smart looking 40, 42, 44, 46, 21, 50. This is cotton silk with thread work, vegetable block print. See the work, close up of the work, you can see. Very pretty and very nice. You can wear it with a leg palazzo. The sleeves, sizes 40, 42, 44 and 46. The back. Side slit, A-line, straight cut long kurtas. Now coming to a collared long dress with kali. You can wear it as a dress or you can wear it with leggings. You can wear it with denims also. Very smart you look. You can wear it with plazos. Very smart looking long flared dress in red and indigo. The upper part will have the cord work. The lower part will have the block print, in between embroidery. So this is the back side. Product number 6, the back side. Extremely smart cut. This is the sleeves, block printed. This part is the thread work. I'll explain it to you. This part is the thread work. This part in lemon is the block print. And the back, this opening is also very smart. Okay, the sizes, please note the sizes of those who are interested. Large means 42 and price is 2800. Large, extra large and double XL. Large, extra large, double XL. I have another very smart tie-up dress. Ikat, pure cotton ikat is just a wrap dress. You know, this is the wrap dress. Half will be in slate color and the rest half will be in red color. So you open this, you tie it up from here and then wrap according to your size. So it fits almost everybody. Even if you take a 42, it will fit 40 and 44. So it's adjustable. Very smart looking. You can just tie it up here. Pure cotton ikat dress, sizes up to 46. Red and grey color, sizes up to 46. V-neck, so it comes to a V-neck. Very smart looking these dresses look, and the price of this is number 7, 2350 for this, 2350. Another very interesting cotton rayon kurta with vegetable block print with a touch of gold print also, with nice gold Doria thread work with nice bright broad sleeves with work. This is with embroidery. The color is in dark navy and turquoise blue. Size large, extra large, double XL, 2150. Large means 42, 44 and 46. This is product number 8A. Long kurti with side slit. These only kurtas, no bottoms. I'm just suggesting you with what you can wear it, but it comes only as a kurta, not as a set. Sets I'll show you later. This is just the kurta, 2150 front and back with work, and especially these broad work in the sleeves look really grand. Very smart these kind kurtis look. See? Very smart cut. Even the cut, all color fast and very smart designs also. Simple, but the work and the print is little different. Now another color I have in this, magenta, large, extra large and double XL. You can wear it with a beige color palazzo. Beige will look very nice in this. See the print, touch of gold and very soft, comfortable material. $2150, large, extra large, double XL. Kindly take the screenshot of the product where the product number is mentioned. This is the back side. Where the product number is mentioned, take the screenshot of the product with the product number and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided. Once I confirm you the booking, if it's available, I'll give you the bank details, business account, and you can make the payment. The courier will be done, shipping will be done. After you make the payment, kindly send the screenshot of the payment and also your name, address and phone number in one message. $12.50 for this, $12.50, and now this I have many sizes. This is also a slab cotton with nice block print, rubber print, but it's washable, home wash, no problem. Double XL means 46, 48, 50, 52, 54. Till 54 inches I have this size. So 44, 46, 48, 40, 50, 52, 54. Another color I have. Maximum demand of kurtis are in these plus size kurtis, so you can really select and choose. This is $12.50 also, $12.50, XXL, 2XL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL and 6XL. So see, I've got many sizes in this plus size. $12.50, front and back. A very smart looking block, geometric with flowers, and the color is a nice fudge color. 1250 rupees till 6XL. Now I have a Chanderi thread work straight cut kurta, black and white, a black and white very smart looking straight cut kurta, size large and extra large. Two sizes, large, extra large, means 42 and 44. Straight cut, back plain, 42, 41. These white are all thread work. These white part, it's thread work. With lining, Chanderi, product number 10, 1500 only. 1500, product number 10. Very smart looking. Wear it with a leg, black or white palazzo, whatever. It will look very nice. Very nice with work, 1500. Now coming to another kaftan kurta in chicken. Pockets. See, the pockets are very interesting. Very interesting pockets. Price 3200, size 40, 42 and 44. And now I have this. You can just see, tighten it. Katha patchwork pockets with inner. Here comes the with inner. So you are getting an inner with straps. You can adjust, a cotton inner. Okay, so it comes with a cotton inner and the kurta, kaftan kurta, which is adjustable in size. But I have till 44, 40, 42 and 44. Front and back full chicken work with patchwork pocket. Very smart looking. You don't need a bottom with it, but if you want you can wear denims also, will look nice. I have a red color. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Lot of kurta set stock has come, so those who were waiting for the big size kurtas can please visit both the branches. You will get the full stock. Suit sets are also available. We have dupattas, dress materials, costume jewelries and many more. See, this is the another red color with patchwork pocket and with inner. This is the inner, very smart this looks on wearing. 3200, 40, 42 and 44, and another stunning color combination, and that is turquoise. And kaftans are very much in with this patchwork pocket and this solid color, chicken work with cut work with inner, and 3200, and very good quality, heavy quality, not the low count cottons. No, these are heavy quality and very fine work. See the work closely, very close work and very good work, very good quality cotton chicken with inner. 3200, product number 13, and here comes the inner with this, and sizes 40, 42 and 44. 3 sizes you will get in this. Now number 14. It's a long white dress with block print. Very smart, very soft cotton rayon, and these are washable, very smart looking, full length long dress, 3250, sizes 42 and 44, 2 sizes. Lot of fabric has been used to get this pleats and chunnat, then layers, very smart looking. And see, these are hand blocks, the back side. Along with this, you will get a matching dupatta. Mull dupatta, mull cotton dupatta, full length dupatta. I'll open it for you. Then you can understand the size of the dupatta. It's in white again. So it looks really nice on wearing, any party wear and all, where you want to go ethnic and but nice Indo-Western. Wear it with nice junk jewelries with cufflinks. This looks so nice and pretty on wearing, and especially because it's in white. 3250 for this. It's a beautiful piece. Now something very interesting. I had this woven cotton kurtas with collar, very smart looking woven cotton kurtas with collar, A-line, front slit, and this fabric cotton seems like it has a katha embroidery, but it's textured. It has a weave in this, very nice. See the weave. These are all white part in the blue is the weave of the material. It is giving a very nice katha ikkat weave. 2350, sizes 40, 42, 44. 40, 42, 44, price 2350 with buttoned sleeves, collar, front open, and with a cotton plazo. So you get a white plazo, sizes available along with the kurta, and here comes the kurta. So plazo and kurta set. Plazo and kurta set. 2350. Similarly, I'll have colors in this. Number 40. sorry, the size is 40, 42, 44. I have shown you the Firoza. Now comes the navy, 2350 navy. This A-line looks very nice. And the yellow. Two, 350, 2350, 40, 42 and 44. Front slit with button, very smart looking for office and all. Also this will look very nice. And I forgot to show you in the previous one, you have a belt in this. So if you want, you can just use it as a dress or just leave it like that as a kurta, whatever. Just as it is you can wear along with this belt. So all the three has belts. Okay, the previous ones also have belts. Number 18, these are all now coming to all two-piece sets. Before I had shown you the kurtas, now coming to the two-piece set. See, this is a round cut, very smart Punjabi kind of a kurta. Punjabi kurta, 2500 large, extra large and double XL, product number 18, 2500 large, XL and double XL, along with very smart rapid printed bottom. So all the bottoms are with elastics, it's adjustable, and these are all home wash, very smart. See, very comfortable printed plazo sets. So the kurta along with the plazo. The full set comes to 2500 large, extra large and double XL. See the quality, it's very good quality cotton. Number 19. Another woven kurta in fudge color, 2400, product number 19, 42 and 44 size with front pleats, 42 and 44, front pleats, very nice. It's a dress with, you can wear it as a dress also because it doesn't have a slit, and along with it I'll give you this cotton woven cotton bottom, the plazo. You have the hanging this thing. It's a very nice piece, very smart kurta with the bottom once again, and the back side. See the back side, this is the back, this is the front with piping in white, 2400 with the bottom, two piece. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19 as I said, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Both are close by. Sundays we are closed, Monday to Saturday 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. Please do take a minute to like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you can get regular notifications, regular something or the other new will be uploaded in the videos. Also check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where there still pictures of this will be uploaded, and there is the album of suits and kurtis where you can check out the pieces. And also you can check out our WhatsApp status where regular pieces are uploaded every day, and our Insta page Laliyat Sanskriti. So this is another very nice color combination, Rajasthani lovely block printed kurta in Angrakha style with front tie-up, but it's fixed. You just have to, it's just falls just for the design. This is the kurta and it has a smart striped bottom. So now what I'll be, as I'm showing you, these are all two-piece sets. Now these are very much in fashion now with contrast block printed plazo and with the kurta. These are very much in fashion now, and this is a very nice smart piece. And what about the tag for this? I think it's in the bottom. Okay, product number 20, it's 2790 2790. Wow, it has extra large, I mean that is 44 and 46. 44 and 46 sizes available here. A-line, slight flared, the back with the stripe palazzo. Very smart it looks like. See, like even I am wearing a stripe palazzo. So it looks really smart on wearing these stripe palazzos with the floral printed kurtas. So similarly, I'll show you another. These are very, very good quality cottons, let me tell you. Very comfortable, and the blocks and the prints, the colors are also all new prints, new blocks, traditional ones of course. This is 2990. This is cotton silk, 2990. I mean not the polyester mix. These are pure ones with hand mirror work, ajrak. You can tie it here to tighten if you want. This is the with embroidery, and here comes the bottom. Very smart color in ajrak, bottle green, and sizes 42 and 44. 42, 44, we have two sizes in this, 42 and 44. Milk white and red floral, white and red with little katha sequence done, with little embroidery in the sleeves and the, see, little lines of katha, and again with the stripe pant. Yes, the pant will have little bit of contrast block printed border to match with the kurta. Straight cut, A-line with lining, and the size and price of this is number 22, 3250, 44 size only, 44, 3250. Another tie and dye kaftan kurta with thread work, batik bottom, tie and dye batik, 2790, 2790, 40, 42 and 44, 40, 42 and 44. Very flowy fabric, rayon, cotton rayon pure, and tie and dye with mirror work, crochet border, batik, very smart looking with black palazzo. You get this black palazzo with this black palazzo, and this tie and dye 2790, 40, 42 and 44, 40, 42, 44. Number 24, ikat block printed kurta, 42 and 46, 3350, 42 and 46, 3350. Why the price increases? Because you are getting, number one is the bottom. It too has an ikat bottom, see, with elastic, so you won't have problem even if you want it, and if you want it tighter, you can just adjust. It's along with this full dupatta, so it's a 3-piece set, hence the price increased. Now this is the dupatta, this is the bottom, and this is the kurta. Very smart looking full concept, full 3-piece set, 3350, sorry, this is not 3350, this is 2990, sorry, I'm sorry, This is 2990. Price just rectify please. 42 and 46. 2990. 2990. It's a 3-piece set. Another slab cotton pleated full length dress. You can wear it as a dress or a suit. Comes with embroidery. 2350 with work in the sleeves. 40, 42, 44 and 46. Starting from medium, large, extra large and double XL. Very nice looking long dress along with the dupatta. It's a very reasonably priced narrow full length dupatta. It's I wouldn't say it's a full length. I'll show you the size of the dupatta, and with a plazo. So it's a 3-piece set. A 3-piece set. This is the bottom with gota. This is the bottom with gota. This is, I'll show you the dupatta size. Okay, let me open mine. You can understand then the length. Here. This is the dupatta actually for this. And here is the kurta. Very pretty color, very soft, washable, and price is 2350 full set. Full set you are getting 2350. I have another pretty color in this dark pink color. 2350 again for medium, large, extra large and double XL. And see the work. The work comes from the side also. Slit. The back, the yoke, and the whole work goes from this border and then the bottom also. Only 2350 full set along with the dupatta and the bottom. 2 has the dupatta, bottom, kurta. 2350 full set. Product number 26. So now I am showing all the 3-piece sets one. This is a straight cut kurta again. 40, 42, 44 and 46. 40, 42, 44, 46. Very bright rapid printed kurta with crochet border. Very nice floral work, block print with floral embroidery with mirror work. And here comes a nice dupatta with this. And the bottom. So again, these are very much in now and looks very smart. So it has a block printed bottom, the kurta and the dupatta. $19.50 is the whole set. Medium, large, extra large and double XL. Medium, large, extra large, double XL. 3-piece full set comes to $19.50 only, and I have another gorgeous color. The other one was in pink and this is in grey and rani. Same price, $19.50, along with this dupatta and along with the plazo. Plazo, dupatta, yeah, you can understand now properly. Yeah, $19.50, medium, large, extra large and double XL, front and back, and I have already shown you the bottom. Another very smart dress with pocket, one side pocket, $29.90. First of all, see the material. It's a very pretty zari woven, very fine tissue woven stripe handloom with florals. This is the back. This is the back side, this is the front side. Here comes the pocket, the sleeves, very comfortable, very smart, and with inner. With inner 2990, medium, large and extra large, 3 sizes, medium, large and extra large. All these are all very well cut, very well finished and very smart designs. And then coming to another very designer piece in cotton, tie and dye. This is the bottom. Firstly, let me bandhej block printed bottom in white. This is the palazzo in white. Okay, and then here comes the inner in mull. This is the inner. So you wear the inner. It's a 4-piece set, and let me see if this fits me. No, I have to do a lot of tie up now. Let me, do I have the time? Let's see. It's a very, very unique piece. So quickly let me see if I can just show you how it will look. Here. You tie this, then you tie this. So you are wearing an inner inside. This you are tying it here. So this is the inner, and this is a very nice floral block printed full length dupatta. Yeah. So it's a very nice smart piece, gorgeous looking, and the color is canary yellow with milk white. So tie and dye with so many colors. Very nice smart piece, 4-piece set. Lot of fabric has been used, and it's a very nice designer full length, full piece set. You can wear it to anywhere and you will look really stand out in the crowd. A very, very nice piece. Okay, what is the price of this? Maybe it's showing, and I'll just tell you the size. See the amount of fabric that has been used. Okay, the sizes I have in this is medium, means 40, 42, 44 and 46. 4 sizes available, 40, 42, 44 and 46. And even the cord, see the cord, it's all handmade. Even the cord is handmade. 4 sizes, 4-5 sizes. So that's it for today. And the one that I am wearing, this is also very nice. I really love these salwar kameez plazo sets. It really looks nice, you know, where you have to go for any formal occasion and just don't have time to wear a sari or anything. You can just try these flared kurtas with the bottom. Dupatta with gota embroidery is also done in this. See, I have more colors in this. One is the indigo color, the navy. Here comes the dupatta. And this is all gota work. The bottom is also there. It will be in stripe, the bottom. And the price is 3250, 3250. Sizes small, small, medium, large, extra large. Small, medium, large and extra large. I have sizes in this. So I have this navy color. I have the sky blue that I am wearing. And I have the beautiful pink color. You can check out this pink color also. I have this pink color. So 3 colors available in the one that I am wearing. 3250 starting from small to XL. Small, medium, large and extra large with dupatta. So these all are coming with dupatta and the bottom. The ring that I am wearing, it's a very nice ring. It's a statement ring. 1300 is the ring. 1350 rupees is the ring. These statement rings are very much in fashion now with natural stone, pearls, and see the work, the bird, the flower, the overall, the polki setting. It's a beautiful statement ring. 550 is this ghungru bracelet. It's adjustable. You can just open it and then just wear it. It's very easy to wear. Any size it will fit. Very smart looking piece, and more options in this. And the neck piece, it comes with a earring also, the stud with the neck piece. It's a very unusual handmade neck choker set. Goes with western and ethnic also. Western and ethnic, this choker set. This is how much? 2450 rupees. 2450 comes the choker set with earring, and the suit I've already told you is 3250. And lastly, the mannequin, the mannequin, that the dress mannequin, I'll just show you right now. Yeah, this you can just check out this dress also. Again, a rapid printed Kali set. A full length Kali set rapid printed dress with gota work and embroidery in silver zari. These are the foil printed, and this is the gota lines and the Kali and the flare. Beautiful piece with side, you can stitch the sides. Tie the sides to tighten it. The sleeves have embroidery, silver. Well, these are not mirror work, these are all sheets. And the price is 2500. The price for this is 2500 rupees. The price is 2500. It's the full dress, full length, full flare. See, it's a beautiful full length dress. So that's it for today. Hope you liked the episode. Please keep watching, and please message, please WhatsApp, like, share and subscribe.